Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Evernote subscription. So basically there are three methods by which you can cancel your subscription. It depends on you where you have purchased your subscription originally. If you have taken your subscription from their official website, then you can use first method. If you have taken your subscription on iOS or Android, then you can use third or fourth method. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to log in into your account on the official website, and once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on your setting gear icon. You need to select settings, and once you select settings, you need to select plans and billings. Now you need to select go to your profile option, and over here on the profile section at the very bottom side you can see cancel your Evernote subscription button. You need to select the button and you need to follow the prompts. You need to tap continue to cancel, and you need to provide feedback, and then you can cancel your subscription very easily. This is the first method. And if we talk about like second method, which is for Android users, first of all you need to open your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payments and subscriptions. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your subscription which you want to cancel, like Evernote. If you have taken subscription from Android, then Evernote is available on this subscription list. Then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If Evernote is not available on this window, it means maybe you have taken your subscription from iOS. So in that case, what you have to do, you need to open your iOS settings. Now you need to tap on your Apple ID. Now you need to select subscriptions, and now you need to find your Evernote subscription on the list of active subscription. If you find Evernote subscription in this list, it means you have taken your subscription from here. So now you need to tap on your app which you want to cancel. Now you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So by using this method, you can easily cancel your Evernote subscription on their official website, on their iOS users, on Android users. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.